G'day, here's a few pieces of seam opal, lightning ridge, a couple of them should cut stones I think. First piece has got a colour bar there that's coming up quite nicely. Seems to pop up the top here. Disappears on the end, but there's another little faint bit just here. Second piece. A little bit mixed up this bit. May get a stone out of it, but I'm not promising. Nice bright piece of electric greens. It's fairly see-through crystal. Last piece, another piece of crystal. Make a nice stone, or you could make it into a doublet if you wanted to. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.